We are at the final rest stop before entering Canada, and we have got all of our documents ready, hopefully.
We have our passports, we have our vaccination records for Ollie's with rabies, and we feel ready.
There's one thing though that we are pretty concerned about, and that is in Salt Lake City, we did a huge Costco run to prepare for just being off-grid in remote Canada and remote Alaska.
We think that we have everything checked based off of the Canada website.
We'll see though. We have eggs, we have chicken, we have a lot of products that a lot of people have to dump. So I hope it works out. If not, you know, we're not gonna hide anything from the border agents, but let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Exciting. Our last Canadian border crossing in the boat was really simple because we actually didn't go to a specific border office. We just went to this town that was one of the towns that you could cross into. We called the phone number and then they asked us a bunch of questions, took our information down, and it was good. So this will be definitely a new experience for us. Our turn. Hi, how are you? Good. We're driving through to Alaska. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, have a good day.
Oh my God! We're in Canada! Okay, that was the easiest border crossing ever. The border agent was so nice. Wow. That's crazy. I just gotta make sure I don't turn back to the US because now we have no directions. Cool. I'm just so happy right now.
Ollie, you did so good too, babe. Good job.
We made it to Canada! Ollie, come here. Oh, you made it back to Canada.
You're back, babe.
You're a Canada dog again. Yay! New province too.
Cool.
Now that we are officially in one of our favorite countries on earth, we've went ahead and switched our van to kilometers per hour. And now let's go find a special Canadian treat. Can't wait.
For our special treat, we are going into downtown Calgary, and we are very excited. It is a new city for us. We've never been to this province in Canada before, and there's always a little bit of excitement taking the van into a city. Between having not taken the van yet to many cities, but also just like, there's so much that's new, so it's all very exciting. But yeah, we are both very excited for this treat that is coming our way. Our first stop in Canada is to Calgary, so we can get some poutine. And we went to the Big Cheese, and we have two poutines. So we have the traditional, which is French fries, gravy, and cheese curds. And one is the notorious PIG, and this has Carolina pulled pork, double smoked bacon, and Italian sausage. With, obviously, cheese curds, gravy, and French fries. First up, the traditional. That's good. Savory, a little salty. That has that fried food flavor with the French fries, and that very creaminess from the cheese curds. That is absolutely delicious.
I get the honors for the notorious PIG. This is their biggest seller, so let's try it out. It looks amazing. So many flavors to it. It's kind of funny that this says Carolina barbecue and we just left the States to come into Canada, so a little bit ironic, but so good. The gravy is just, you can tell it's homemade. I don't know what my favorite part is. I think it's everything all together. This is kind of like a flashback to our last time coming into Canada when we did our food tour in Kingston, and we had some vegetarian poutine there, and it was so good. We've been missing it ever since. Now let's devour this and head to the mountains and see what else Canada has to offer for us today. So we're a little behind the scenes. We are finishing our poutine as we drive because we were gonna stay in Calgary for the weekend. Actually, it's a Friday, but only because we didn't know if we would be able to find a spot tonight, because there's not that many where we're going. We are completely changing our plans and gonna try to find a spot. We basically came into the city only for poutine, and to get there before it gets too late tonight, we're leaving while we continue to eat poutine. So my focus is Friday, not quite rush hour, but big city.
Big van.
Big van, yeah. Every stoplight. Thinking about poutine, I feel like I should be eating this after like drinking all night at 2 a.m. or something, but it like fills the soul. It's so good.
It is so good.
Next up, Canadian Rockies!
Woo! Nice!
Go!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Where are we right now? What is life?
Oh my god!
I think we found home for the night. Our first night in Canada. I feel like every first day in Canada so far, it's just been like Disney World. Check out the spot.
Our spot is pretty killer.
You think of this view, this campsite.
This view is incredible. It rivals them all. It's just wild to me. Like, yeah, the West is wild. And that's the part that I think is so beautiful, the wild part. The Canadian Rockies in our backyard tonight. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Pretty nice, Canada. Pretty nice.
Not a bad spot.
Not a bad spot.
I wish, like, well, we're gonna show you in a minute, but like, it's only because the sun is setting over the Canadian Rockies that we can't like have that in our background right now. It's more of a sunrise type of view. So
otherwise, it would be completely blown out, so you wouldn't be able to appreciate it. But I will promise, we will be shooting it probably around sunset. Sunset's at 9:45.
Which is crazy.
Blows our mind.
It's 45 minutes past my bedtime.
But to finish off what we're starting as our Canadian tradition of entering Canada.
All the things we do when we enter Canada.
And this is the second time, so not like this has been going on for years. But we have
butter tarts.
Butter tarts, and these I believe have raisins in them. So leave a comment below if you are pro raisin or pro no raisins
in your butter tarts.
In your butter tarts. We're so excited.
It smells so good.
I will say we did up our game. Where did you buy these from?
Well, our first butter tarts we bought from a supermarket. This was bought from a bakery, although it was a chain bakery. So next time we come to Canada, maybe we'll buy it from a small local bakery.
Yeah.
I don't know. These look great.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You can see just how like flaky the crust is. Like beautiful.
Cheers. better than I remember.
Mm-hmm. I think that's dangerous.
That's so dangerous. Poutine, butter tarts, and then the trio is a local Canadian beer. This one's from British Columbia. Couldn't find an Alberta beer, but is what it is. Wow, this is so good. There are so many raisins in here. I think, I don't know, what are you team raisin?
I think I'm team no raisin. Are you team raisin?
Yeah, I'm team raisin. Now, to finish up our first day in Canada, we're gonna enjoy a sunset. It's gonna happen. What time is it right now?
It's gonna happen in 3 hours.
It's gonna happen in 3 hours. No, it's not. It's gonna happen in 2 hours.
Okay, excuse me, 2 hours.
No, 2 hours. But still, we're gonna enjoy these long summer days.
We really are. Cheers.
Thank you so much for watching.
And we can't wait to share our next phase of our Canadian adventure with you. That's pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
Pretty nice.